Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you this super simple look that I have been doing for the past few days. I start off with my brows. So I use this AMOR dark brown brow pomade, and I take this Anastasia number 18 brush and I take just a tiny bit and put it on the cap, and I start off in the tail end of my brows. As you can see, I just kind of feather it in. Don't try to fill it in so much so it looks a little bit more natural. And I just do that curve of my brow because I am missing some hair there, so I just do top, feather it in, and do the curve on my brow. So this is what usually takes me the longest to do on a super simple look like this, so I just take my time. So that's how they end up looking, and I like to add a little tiny line in the bottom and kind of brush it upward with the excess that I have on my brush just to finish filling in the brows. So that's the finished look for my brows, super quick and easy. So now I take this e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, put it on my fingers, and apply it to my cheeks. So this product is really pore filling, so that's why I put it on my cheeks, because my pores are the largest there. And I also like to put some on my nose because I have some pores there as well. So you just massage it into your face and blend it in as much as you can. So that made my nose feel funny. Then I just pat it in to get all the product in as much as possible. Next, I take this COLOURPOP No Filter Foundation in the shade Medium 90. As you can see, I am completely almost out of this, and I'm going to take this Japanese beauty sponge and blend it into my cheeks. And I'm going to do some bouncing motions on my skin to completely soak it into my skin and give me a very natural look, but still medium coverage. So as I take my time on this, put it on my cheeks, make sure I get close to my ear so I don't have like a line there, and then bring it up in between my eyebrows. So now I'm going to take this Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 19, and I'm going to apply some here, 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 and here, just a little bit, because this product goes a long way with just a little bit. I'm going to blend it in under my eyes to give me a brighter look under there, just to look more awake. This is so creamy and super blendable. So I'm also going to put this on my lid to cancel out all the shadows that I have there. Now, one of my favorites that I have been using lately is this KENIA ONTIVEROS GLAM and Go kit, and this has basically everything you need on the go in one little palette. So I'm going to take the shade Angel. This is going to be what I'm going to set my concealer with. I'm going to place it under my eyes, on my chin, and on my nose and my forehead. I like to use this to brighten up a little bit more. Now I'm going to take the shade Power, and this is what I'm going to conceal with. I'm using this ELLI June brush, and I'm going to put it on my forehead to give me a really bronzy look, and also on my cheeks to kind of contour a little bit, but don't forget to completely blend this out so that you don't have these harsh lines. Then using the ELLI June powder brush, I like to take off all the excess. This is the Essence Matte Touch Blush in the shade 20 Bury Me Up. I like to use the same brush that I used for the bronzer to apply my blush. This just gives it more of a blended look, and this brush is super multi-use. Adding some to my nose just to make it look a little bit more rosy. Then taking the same bronzer on this blending brush from ELLI June, putting it on my crease and little windshield wiper motions, and adding some of that same blush that I put on my cheeks onto my eyelids just to give it more of a monochromatic look. And then just blend it on the outer V of my eye. Now this shade, Mood, from the same palette, is a highlight, and it's so pretty. It gives you that glowing from within look. Put it on my cheeks, obviously my nose. Highlight on my nose is my favorite thing about makeup. and on my cupid's bow. So the last skin step that I'm going to do is I'm going to spray this MILANI Make It Last setting spray. This is what gives you that super glowy look, but it also makes your makeup last all day. Especially here in this Texas weather that we need our makeup to not just melt off our face. So now fan it out and let it soak into your skin. Now taking this Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara, I like to feather out my brows a little bit more so they look more natural. And then curl your lashes. And this look isn't complete without using the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. That is a mouthful, but this mascara is amazing. Right now, I want to say this is my favorite mascara, and it's $4.99. So just kind of brushing it in. My lashes grow in like weird directions, so I like to take the brush and kind of wiggle it through the lashes just to kind of redirect the eyelash to look more curled. So you can see a big difference there. So I usually do 2 coats, but today I ended up doing just 1. Now for lips, Essence Clear Gloss. This gloss is so pretty. You can put it without anything on your lips, with a lipstick on the bottom, with a liquid lip on the bottom. But the best thing about this gloss, I think, is that it has a really nice fragrance. It feels super moisturizing and it's not goopy. So like if you were to like press your lips together, they wouldn't just like stick together. And then I take the same blending brush and take off those little black dots that I give myself when I'm doing my lashes because they kind of like curl back and touch my lid. And then finally this Japanese eyelash comb, and then just wiggle it in there to spread them apart so they don't look a little spidery. It's like raking your lashes. So the benefit of using this little brush is that it spreads out your lashes and gives them a longer look and gives you an extra curl to your lash. So this is the finished look. I really love this. I've been doing this on the days that I want to wear a little bit of makeup, and it's perfect because I can achieve it like in 5 minutes. It's such a natural look and it's perfect for every day. So these are the 3 products that I have been obsessed with. You should definitely check them out. So thanks guys for watching, and don't forget that I'm going to list all the products down below, and please don't forget to subscribe so that you can be notified when I get new videos on my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.